for your target audience is easy. GummySearch does most of the work for you. If you just name your audience, let's say we are looking for digital marketers, find communities. GummySearch gives you a bunch of them. You can enrich these results with even more keywords that are related to you. So let's say advertisers would say cost per click, more keywords, better results. I would recommend maybe adding 2 to 4 of them. And now we just select the subreddits that seem relevant to what we're looking for. There we go. Not all of them will be. We have 9 subreddits, 1.3 million members amongst them. I'll have another video that goes into what to do with these subreddits. But one thing to note is that down here, GummySearch also has similar communities based off the ones that you selected. So you can add Facebook ads, advertising, AdWords. Besides creating your own audiences, you can also look at the list of curated ones to just jump in and start exploring them with one click. Thank you very much.